रोटरी क्लब ऑफ मडगांव सनराइज क्लबान ई वेस्ट एकठांय करपाचो आगळो वेगळो उपक्रम राबयलो। फाटल्या सप्तकांत मडगांवां घराघरांनी वचून ताणें 500 किलो ई वेस्ट एकठांय केलो।
माहिती आणि तंत्रज्ञानाचो भाग आशिल्ल्या संगणक आणि मोबाईल सारक्या यंत्रां खातीर भारतात क्रांती जाली, पूण ताच्याच वांगडा कांय आव्हानांय तयार जाल्यात। माहिती तंत्रज्ञान मळाचेर तयार जावपी कोयर, जाका आमी ई वेस्ट म्हणून पाचारतात, ती एक मोठी समस्या जावन रावल्या। हाचो भार उणो जावचो म्हूण मडगांवच्या रोटरी क्लबान करो संभव ह्या संस्थे वांगडा मेळून ई वेस्ट एकठांय करपाची मोहीम राबयल्ली। 8 दिसांत तांणी 500 किलो ई वेस्ट कोयर एकठांय केलो। दर एकाच्या घरात कसलो ना कसलो ई वेस्ट कोयर पडिल्लो आसता। ताची योग्य पद्दतीन विल्हेवाट लायली ना जाल्यार तो पर्यावरणाक आणि भलायकेक हानिकारक जावपाक शकता, अशें करो संभव ह्या संस्थेच्या सदस्यांनी सांगले।
So what we basically do, I'll just give an example how the process actually works. So say for example, if any brand puts anything in the market, shopkeepers purchase it, they sell it to the consumers. Then what happens, after some years the mobile is not getting repaired or it's damaged. So what people do, they either store it in their house, while buying a new product they exchange with the new phone, or they give it to the scrap. So it is prepared by somebody, taken by somebody, used by somebody, and it goes to somebody else only. So it becomes a linear economy. So as per the e-waste rules under EPR, it says that if you are a producer and if you are putting anything in the market, it is your responsibility now to set up collection channels and see that where that product has gone, and that product has to come back to you. So basically that product will not go to the respective brand, it will be given to a recycler who will dismantle the product as per the categories, and as per the weight that he gets, he will send the report to the pollution control board and all these brands. So once the material reaches the recycler will dismantle it as per the disposal norms, and then he will give a proper breakup, like how much gold he got, how much copper, how much glass and how much plastic, and that those material will further go for processing, and while making new products, all these products will be used again. So basically this is what happens when the recycling is done.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक टीव्ही।